Many entrepreneurs, the women entrepreneurs who start their businesses, they ask me one common question. Daily post ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ? Let me tell you the truth. Growth comes from strategy, not from posting every day. You can post daily and still not grow. Or you can post 3 times a week and still grow consistently. The biggest content myth in Gutta. Many people think more post is equal to more growth. But Instagram rewards value and relevance, not just the volume. If posting content daily was enough, every account would be successful. The real question is not how often should I post? The real question is how useful is my content? The content effectiveness is something that successful creators focus on. Especially, it should be impactful content and not just the content quantity. So you can use this framework that like VIP framework that is there. V is for value, valuable content. Does the content teach something useful for my audience? Example, saree styling tips, fabric education, or shopping guidance, or industry insights. Content that helps people learn something new, which will make the post perform better. So the second one is interesting. Content must be able to hold attention. Example, strong hooks or storytelling or having some relatable solutions. If the content feels it's very boring or unpredictable, people will just scroll away. So P is for purpose, purposeful content that you generate. Okay, every post must have some clear objective. For example, it should either attract some new followers or educate the customers, or it can build trust or promote a product. Random posting without any purpose will reduce the effectiveness. So the smart posting strategy, I can say, is like the content rhythm. So in the content rhythm, I'll just break it down. CONTENT. So C stands for consistency. Consistency matters more than frequency. If you can post 3 to 4 every week consistently, then growth is possible. O is like organized themes. Plan the themes like education, inspiration, product insights, and customer stories. So this will keep the content very structured. N is for niche focus. Content should always relate to your niche. For example, if you are in a saree business, content should revolve around that, like sarees, fashion, styling, or textile knowledge, not random topics. And T for time optimization. Choose realistic posting frequency. For busy entrepreneurs, 3 to 4 high quality posts per week is sustainable. That's more than enough. Okay, E is for engagement. Always reply to the comments or messages and likes and the questions that people ask. And this like engagement will build more community. So N for narrative. Your content should tell a consistent story about your brand. For example, like empowering women through fashion entrepreneurship. T for trust building. Over time, your page should build credibility. People should feel this page is reliable and knowledgeable, and this person is more knowledgeable, whoever owns that page. So from industry insights, you can say many successful brands don't post every day, but when they post, the content is like very meaningful or informative, and it should be visually strong. The quality content will stay relevant for longer time. The practical rule is, before posting, ask these questions to yourself. Will this post make my audience learn something, or think differently, or feel inspired? If the answer is yes, then post it. If not, improve that idea. Okay, post it without posting daily without strategy is like talking continuously without saying anything meaningful. Instead, focus on creating a content that will truly matter. Okay, because in the long run, the value is what will always beat volume.